Hey, MySpace, YouTube, Facebook, Young Gooch One, MySpace, the world. Hey, baby, this me. You know, I brought something new to the table this time, Bo. Let y'all know how it is on the real side, the ear side. We real side, you heard me? Nah, but on some ear shit, I'm a ghostwriting things. I got these songs that I done mapped up. I'm trying to get them out, sell them. You know, I ain't no singer, but I do what I do. I can hold a note or something. You heard me? But here we go. I miss the old simple things like going to the mall, holding hands while we walk and making our small talk. I miss those simple things like watching you cook when you ask for my opinion on how your makeup look. I miss those simple things, the way you used to smile, the funny faces you be making every time you pout. Now they got us locked up, but no one partially to blame. To turn back the hands of time, I will give up anything. I do apologize, I was caught up in the game. Honestly, I didn't mean for things to go down this way. I miss those simple things, like the kisses before you leave. Missing you while you gone, and more kisses when we agree. I miss those simple things, like talking on the phone, playing with the kids, watching movies while we home. I miss those simple things, massaging your feet, washing your hair, picking food out your teeth. I miss those simple things, like seeing you in my shirts, digging you to your job, picking you up when you get off work. Now they got us locked up, I know I'm partially to blame. To turn back the hands of time, I will give up anything. I do apologize, I was caught up in the game. I didn't mean for things to go down this way. Now they got us locked up, I know I'm partially to blame. To turn back the hands of time, I will give up anything. I do apologize, I was caught up in the game. Honestly, I didn't mean for things to go down this way. I miss those simple things, like watching you sleep, holding you in my arms while you sounding so damn sweet. I miss those simple things, like looking in your eyes, the way we used to vibe, and how you act when you got high. I miss those simple things, the way you used to speak, how I panicked sitting in the passenger seat. I miss those simple things, just the way it used to be. Many times we took a shower, you washed me and I washed you. I miss those simple things, those simple things. I miss those simple things. those simple things. I miss those simple things.